Superior Overhead Door brings more than 75 years of family-owned and operated experience and caring to every new project. We service residential and commercial. Most major brands: Genie, Doorlink, Delden, LiftMaster, Wayne Dalton. Broken spring? No worries. We are your broken spring specialist. We provide 24-hour emergency services. No matter what your needs, we can provide the solution. Repair, replace, install brand new. We even do wooden overlays and custom doors. Tired of misplacing your door remote? No problem. We offer smartphone apps to replace your garage door opener. We are Arkansas's leading overhead door store. We are Superior Overhead Door. Call us in Conway, Little Rock, and Russellville.